Welcome back to Collecting Cars. We're not just about cars, we also list some of the coolest collectible vehicles on two wheels, like this Yamaha Fizzy. In fact, if it moves and it's collectible, you'll find it on Collecting Cars. The Yamaha FS1-E DX, or Fizzy as it's fondly known, is a classic Japanese moped. Power comes from a 49cc, two-stroke, air-cooled engine coupled to a 4-speed manual gearbox. This 1976 UK market bike is a pre-restriction model capable of 45 miles an hour in standard guise, with many having been tuned to go much faster. From the 1st of August 1977, mopeds were restricted to 30 miles an hour, making the pre-restriction models highly collectible. Here it is, the beautiful Yamaha Fizzy. And it just looks fantastic, this thing, when you get up close to it. It's got this beautiful, slender, slimline fuel tank and this lovely sort of bumblebee style yellow and black. And we've got the Yamaha decals down the side. These are pretty new decals, these. And then paintwork on the tank is in absolutely brilliant condition. And then also this vinyl seat looks pretty much good as new. The engine's only 50cc, 49cc, but it's more than enough zip for going around town here or kind of heading out on the weekends, and particularly this version because it's the de-restricted, so you can get up to about 45 miles an hour, and believe me, on this thing that's plenty. Other cool features on this bike is it's actually got the upgraded front disc brakes to give you extra stopping power. There's also enough room for a passenger on the back here, and there's the pegs here for their feet to rest, so it's actually a very usable and versatile little bike. Now, there's plenty of power on the bike to zip you around most places, but it does also have these little push pedals down the side, which I think look really cute. The bike dates back to 1976, but you really wouldn't notice it from how it looks here, and it's only covered 1,320 miles. It's absolutely nothing. The colour scheme of this bike works so well, and the yellow and the black just pop really nicely together. And then it's finished off by all this lovely chrome here on the mud guard, and then has this lovely long exhaust which runs the length pretty much of the bike. Well, she looks great. Let's see how she sounds when we start her up. This is an absolutely charming example of a very collectible bike. For more bikes, cars and the occasional tank, head over to collectingcars.com. Thanks for watching and see you soon.